welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello. We do lifestyle reviews, hair, wigs, everything in between. Today we're going to be talking about color contact lenses from Minteye. These contacts are beautiful. Stick around and continue watching. We're going to be trying some contact lenses from this company. This is a new company that reached out to me. So I'm super excited to try these out. I was so impressed with the packaging. So cute. Like, I'm definitely going to use this for traveling for my makeup. We'll do as many as possible. If we can do all of them, we'll do all of them. If you guys are wondering about my hair, I'm going to leave the link in the description for you guys if you want to check that out. Okay, let's try the mocha. I have not tried these on prior to this review. What do you guys think? This is very cute. Definitely matching my outfit today. I'm really liking this one. So pretty. The next pair that I want to try is the gray color. It almost looked opaque in the container, so it's kind of piqued my interest, you know? The lens itself is looking like white, so I'm really curious to see what this one's gonna look like on my eye. I can feel it a bit in my eye. It's getting better, but it's definitely not like the first one. It's subtle, it's giving blue, but it's not blue. You guys know, if you've watched my contact review videos, the gray colors on dark eyes like my own, it tends to show up blue. So it's definitely giving like bluish, but also like gray blue. It's really subtle, but it's definitely like a pop of color. You'll notice it. It's so pretty. Hands down, one of my favorites. We'll try a blue color since we tried the gray, so you guys can see the direct comparison between a grayish color that looks blue and a blue color. I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how I care and store my contact lenses before I put these ones in. So first things first, when I get them out of the package, I always discard the solution that the contact lenses comes in, and then I will use my own contact lens solution. This is the brand that I like to use. Okay, and I got this from Shoppers. They also sell it at Walmart. Before I do anything is like, I take these containers and I rinse them out with water, just water, no soap. And I also like to install, like put them in with these little thingies. It took me a while to learn how to use these, but we got there now. You always have to make sure that your hands are very clean. So like, don't put any lotion on your hands or oils before installing them, because you might have to touch your eyes and the contact lenses will get dirty, or there might be like a film of something on there. And if there's anything on your eye when you're putting them in, you will feel it. So what I like to do when I take it out of the solution, I like to put it on the palm of my hand right there, and then I like to dip my little dabby thing. I like to dip that in the solution, and then I like to this is what I do. I take it and I scoop it up. Okay, and then from there I can adjust it. I want it to be right in the middle of where that contact lens is. Trying not to touch it too much. This surface is clean. I cleaned it with some solution as well. So these contact lenses should be fairly clean when I put them in my eye. So now I like to just hold my eyelid down, open my eyes wide as possible, look into a mirror, and I put it in. Just put it slowly, let your eye pick it up, and then I like to squint, and there we go. That's how you put them in, and that's what I usually do to get my contact lenses in. And then to remove them, you can use the little tongs, or you could just use your hands. I like to use my fingers because at that point I'm putting it back into the solution. So if my fingertip is dirty, that's okay. So guys, this is the Elf Blue, Elf Blue. This color is really pretty too. They really make some pretty color contacts because yeah, they're all very beautiful. I would wear all of them so far that I tried on. Guys, this pair is beautiful. Do you see the pigments in there? You see some like gray and you also see blue. Very, very pretty. I would definitely recommend you guys getting this color if you have dark eyes or you have black skin tone and you're worried about wearing a blue. This blue is very mild. You can wear it if you have dark skin tone like myself. It's definitely really, really cute. Oh my goodness, I'm loving these contact lenses, you guys. Okay guys, this is the green, sweet green, I believe it's called, or green sweet, I don't know. The order that it's written, it's like color is green and then sweet. So it could be sweet green or green sweet, I don't know. I think it's sweet green. Really pretty color also. You guys, they're all beautiful. I know I like to pick favorites at the end, but it's gonna be a bit challenging because look how pretty it is. Such a natural color. Like, I know it's green, but it's like so subtle. It's a lot of times when I try green contact lenses, it gives like goblin, it gives like troll, it just looks like alien. But this is really flattering on your eye. It's very subtle. Again, like just looks natural, really, really pretty. And these are all very comfortable. And look how easily they go in, like with no effort. They're not like falling out. They adhere to your eyelid, your eyeball. It adheres to the eyeball really easily. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. Comment below your favorites, guys. I need your help to let me know which ones are the cutest because so far, I honestly am loving all of them. Okay guys, this pair is called LA Girl Gray. It's looking a little crazy. It's looking a bit reptile. In person, it doesn't really look like that intense, but for some reason on the camera, as I'm looking into the viewfinder, it does look a little cray-cray. But in person, it's really pretty. I would say probably this one is like my least favorite because it's just a bit too strong of a color for my skin, but it is pretty. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna try the second pair of this one because this is probably like my least favorite. You can clearly see the difference. It is very bright. We're gonna move on to the last pair, which is the Elf Brown. We're gonna move on to that and we're gonna try both pairs and close off the video with that one, okay? This one's very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, guys, this is the last pair. This is the Elf Brown. Zoom in real close. Now this eye is a bit irritated but this eye is fine. So I think that's just from me like playing rough with my eyes on this side, but this is so pretty, you guys. The verdict is in. I am definitely a fan of Minteye. They make really cute contact lenses, colored contact lenses that really show up on dark eyes. Like, we are not playing around, you guys. This color is beautiful. Now, I liked all of them except for really the LA Girl Gray. That was the only shade that was really maybe not my favorite because it was just like too bright for me. But all of the other colors, I literally could not choose. Like, they're all really pretty. Like, I mean, if I had to recommend, I would recommend the Crystal Gray, the Sweet Green, and the Elf Blue. And then this one here, the Elf Brown. I guess the elf colors, I really like these shades. Really, really pretty. Again, I pretty much said all of them, didn't I? I really, really loved these contact lenses. I actually really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the pairs that I tried that maybe I didn't necessarily answer in this video already, let me know that in the comment section below. Leave your thoughts. Which one was your favorite? Are you like me, or you really can't choose a favorite? Hear you, because they're all so gorgeous. I would definitely recommend you guys checking them out. I would say these color contact lenses are definitely Kaviar Kez approved. They're comfortable, they're really thin. You guys, I have astigmatism in my eyes. Usually when I wear contact lenses, I can only wear them for a short period of time because after a while my eyes start to feel like it has dirt in it, and or like sand or like grit. But these are extremely comfortable, and I tried on 6 pairs and I'm doing okay. Like, there's just slight irritation on this eye, but besides that, they're very comfortable. These almost are like, you almost can't feel them in your eye. So I would definitely say if you have astigmatism and you want to try some color contact lenses, this is a great brand because I don't really feel them at all. I could wear these pretty much all day and I'd be fine. That is great news for me. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe before you go if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until next time, guys. Bye.